going to show you how to use Mediator boards to install Pulsa Links onto Nova and Cyl-Tel sensors and faceplates. It's a great way of bringing these sensors onto the Pulsa dashboard, and it's convenient. You won't have to change any of your existing plumbing. These are Nova and Cyl-Tel sensors and faceplates, and again, using the Mediator, you're able to maintain your original plumbing. You shouldn't have to touch any of that. And so I'm going to walk you through how to install these, starting with the Cyl-Tel. So you basically come and take the front plate off. So when this faceplate comes off, there's going to be a wire that comes up. This connects to the differential sensor in the back, and there will be a connector to the board that you undo. On the Mediator boards, we have a label, Cyl-Tel A and B. And so right off the bat, you know it's going to be one of these two sets of connectors. In this case, it's the white set of connectors. So what you'll do is take the sensor and connect it to one end. And then on the other side, this connector will go back in where we unplug the faceplate. And so the faceplate then is basically done. So I'm going to sit this up here. And then on the other hand, on the other side, if you look at the label, both Cyl-Tel connectors are 5-volt and they use a Pulsa Link 5-volt. So down here, you're going to look at two labels, and there's one that corresponds to a 5-volt and the one that's a 15-volt. So we're going to connect our link to this connector. Also, it said a 5-volt link, so obviously that's what you want to use here. To do that, there's the link cables that they come with. You're gonna, most of these units, a lot of them have a wire seal gland. And so if it has one, obviously it's easy. You just push it through like that. That goes through. And then you can tighten it up. It'll create a seal. And then connecting the Mediator, there's a yellow, white, black, and red wire. They correspond to the wires here. And so you'll follow each one and, insert the wires according to the same pattern, and then tighten them up with this. And the connector goes on. And then as far as mounting the link goes, there's tabs here that you could either screw into a back plate. The links also come with a double-sided adhesive. Adhesives are pretty strong and durable, especially if you're mounting it on a metal surface. Should stick very well. The Pulsa Links work like the rest of Pulsa sensors, and so you would need a Pulsa gateway, and it would communicate and transmit pulses through that.